Hello everyone, this is Glenda Datorf, a 100 plus guider of MMM Philippines. On March 16, 2016, I provide help 15,000 pesos, and on March 22, 2016, I get help with a total amount of 31,000 pesos. It all came from my provide help with the amount of 15,000, and some of it came from my guider bonuses, referral bonuses, and leader bonuses. Thank you to all the participants of MMM and to Sergi Mavrudi for creating the best system in the world. Long live MMM! Together, we can change the world. Thank you, and God bless.